Nope. I'm not feeling the place. Uh, okay. Ang daming tao. Kaya yaw. Hello guys, it's me, Casual Riding TV, and we're back for a quick decompression ride. So, how are you guys doing? Uh, Na-miss natin mag-vlog ng Father's Day. Belated Happy Father's Day sa mga ka-club natin dyan, no? Yung mga nasa um, member ng best club in the world. And mayroon tayong iba't ibang way kung paano natin sineselebrate or ini-spend yung special na araw na yan ng mga daddy, no? Yeah, of course, na-appreciate yung gifts. Tayo, naka-receive tayo ng gift kay wifey, although wala pa sa akin. Binilan tayo ng bagong gloves. That's how she supports me and my hobby for or my passion for riding, no? Of course, she wants me to always stay safe. So yeah, we're lucky to have a very supportive partner. Pwede na ba tayo dito? Nope, hanap pa tayo. But actually, pwede na tayo tumambay doon kasi walang tao. Tahimik, di ba? That's what we need. Peace and quiet. So mag-hot choco tayo kasi nagkape na tayo kanina eh. Coffee Kubo. It's been a while. Favorite hangout place to before eh. Dati ang daming tumatambay dito, ang daming motor. Pero ngayon, no, konti na lang kasi dami na rin kakompetensya. Saka meron kasi mas malapit. Nakaka-relax kapag ang tahimik. Sana din na nila buksan yung sounds. Ayan, I take it back. Yung sinabi ko kanina na wala na masyadong tumatambay dito. Marami pa pala, no? And then, no, as you can see, meron pang pamilya. So, most probably, mga taga dito lang din sila. And, yeah, uwi na tayo kasi parang ang gulo-gulo ng kalsada. Ang dami nagkakarera and naiilang ako pag may mga ganyan eh. Picture lang tayo for thumbnail. Kala mo Marilaki yun. Dapang-dapa pa eh oh. Ilang kaya speed nun? Ay nako guys, kakamatay niyo yung ego nyo na ganyan. I mean, ano ba nakukuha nyo, di ba? Oh boy. So of course, hindi lang Father's Day ang meron sa June, no? Sa June. June is actually men's mental health month as well. So yeah, we're celebrating that. And yeah, sa mga kaibigan natin dyan, I know how challenging life can be. I mean, we all go through that. um, whether it's about love, work, life in general, we all go through that. Yeah, shout out sa mga kings and young kings na, you know, going through everyday life, battling different challenges on their lives. So yeah, shout out guys. Let's keep on, let's keep on fighting. So yeah, let's end our vlog here guys, and I hope under 10 minutes tong video na to, kasi I was planning to, yung short video lang talaga, or short vlog na parang dumaan lang ako sa YouTube nyo, sa newsfeed, and yeah, nagising si wifey. Mapupuyat to. Nag-aalala kasi pag umaalis tayo ng gantong oras, pag nagmo-motor, lalo na ayun nga yung kalsada rito puro truck, di ba? So yeah, again, belated happy Father's Day sa mga ka-clubmates natin, and yeah, especially sa mga barkada ko na mga daddies na rin. And happy Men's Health Month. Tama ba? Kailangan pa may word na happy? I don't know, but yeah, let's keep showing up for each other. Don't be afraid to open up. If you need someone to talk to, we have a friends, family. Yeah, let's not be afraid to be vulnerable, no? Yeah, again, let's make sure to always show up for our friends and family. Hindi lang sa mga lalaki, in general, we are all responsible for each other. We're not brought up to this world para, to care for just ourselves, 'di ba? So, alright, thank you for watching. And again, if you're new to my channel, please do like and subscribe. Bye for now. Ride safe and stay safe, guys. Bye.